Many IT leaders ditch their traditional help desk systems. Welcome to Xuviate Business Agility Daily, where we help leaders reimagine how work gets done. I want to start this video with a disclaimer. There are many help desk systems out there that are proven and tested. And if yours works for you, please do keep using it. But specifically internal teams like IT often use only a fraction of the functionality, and many IT managers we worked with have successfully migrated to a Kanban-based support system with amazing results. Quite a few of these IT managers actually started off with physical boards, but I'm going to show you what this can look like using Kanbanize as a tool. And I will in the post also provide a link to a case study by Kanbanize themselves, how they use a similar board as their main customer-facing help desk tool. And the case study also gives a lot more detail on the setup, email integration, and possible measurements. Right, so here we have got a very basic support board using Kanbanize. You can obviously customize the workflow and add escalations, things like that. At the moment, I also only have 2 swim lanes with 2 types of tickets, a standard ticket and an expedite one, and I have populated it with 3 tickets. There is quite a few things that you can do in Kanbanize. One of the big ones are their business rules and their email integration. So you can, for example, get a ticket in by email. You can send automatic mails back saying we've received it or we've closed it. And you can also have your communication via email, which then gets added as comments. So if we're looking at this one ticket here, the test request by email, you will see that it came in by email. It came in from me in this case. The comments, as I said, they are by email, some of them are direct. And if I look at a glance, I could also, for example, log time against the ticket in the system. And I've got basic and advanced metrics. Basic metrics, as you can see here, is just to see where was this ticket, how long was it, in which state. And in total, it will give you an age in days. You can at the glance also see the priority, and I think that is it for the moment. And as I said, there's lots more detail in the case study, which I will be providing you. So the actionable tip for today is that it is very easy to create a very powerful support system using Kanban, and specifically in this case, Kanbanize. Many IT managers we work with have reported incredible reductions in backlog and much better team coordination when moving to such a system. One of our clients specifically reported a doubling of throughput within just 3 days. But as with any other Kanban implementation, I need to warn that the Kanban board itself is just a tool, and one needs to also implement the necessary processes and mindset change.